Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. Today I'm going to talk about sous vide. Yes, sous vide right in your steam oven. So we have dedicated sous vide systems and settings in all of our steam ovens. I'm going to show you the proper way to set up the sous vide and really what it is first. I mean, everybody says, I like the sous vide, but I don't know much about it. I don't know how to really start about it. So really what's going to happen is you're going to put in a direct temperature and time according to your recipe, and air and water are going to circulate around what you're cooking to maintain it at the proper temperature and keep it in the duration that you want. So say, for example, if you do a steak at a certain temperature for a certain time, it's really going to hold that. Same thing with the fish we're going to do here today. So I have a nice piece of halibut, okay? And it was fished in Alaska. It has the tags on it. It has everything in here. And a lot of people say, okay, this is already cryovac. Can I cook it in here? No, you cannot, okay? We need to get rid of the purge or the liquid that's really in here. Then it has the tags on it and it has the ink. We don't want to cook in any of this. We don't want any of this in direct contact with the fish, okay? So first and foremost, you're gonna need a vacuum sealer or a reusable cryovac bag. They sell those online as well. So the cryovac bag, you just press on it and it pushes the air out and you can rinse it and reuse it. It's a little bit safer for the environment and things like that. But these food savers are widely available. So what you want to do is just seal the one side to start, and then cut what you want, to fit. Give it a little extra room for, leakage and things like that. So I have this really today, and then you want to get your seasonings. I'm just using a little oil, salt, and pepper. I'm just going to season it very lightly. But in the cryovac stage, this is really where you can build flavor. You could add fresh herbs and lemon, really get that citrus flavor. So, think about the recipes, do a little research on the front end, and, you can really infuse it, because that's really what we want to try and do here. We want to suck out the air, infuse the protein or the fish or the vegetables or whatever we're doing with a lot of flavor. Okay, so I'm going to tear open this bag with my trusty knife here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, we're going to open this guy up. All right, put this right down. And, inspect the fish too. I mean, same rules apply. Make sure you look for any bones, any detailed pieces, things like that. This looks really good. I'm going to take a little paper towel because I want to get the moisture off it. And if you ever talk to me about searing or cooking, I'm a big proponent getting the moisture off these things, all right? So we're just gonna add a little bit of fat, a little bit of oil for flavor here, all right? Not a lot because it'll suck it up, but we wanna go heavy on the salt and pepper. We wanna create that nice, great crust and flavor, okay? Look at that. And you can use Old Bay, you can use whatever you're seasoning with at this point in time. I mean, seasoning's all preference. So look at that, we have it nice and seasoned. We're gonna go right into our bag, okay? So I'll get this cryovac bag right here with my gloves. Sorry about that there, camera people. All right, put it right in. Nice and nice, just like this. Slide this out of the way. Then we're gonna cryovac it, okay? Right here, we wanna make sure it's nice and level. Slide these gloves off. All right, so we're gonna put it all the way to operate, actually open. And we want to make sure we keep it right past the line right there. I think that's perfect, okay? We're going to pop it down, okay? Hit operate, we're going to hit vac and seal. Just going to get the air out of it. All right. Release. Have it right here. This is our perfect vac piece of fish. Look how nice that is, okay? Now this is really going to go in one of our perforated pans, and we're going to take it to the next step, okay? All right, now after the halibut's cryovac, ready to rock and roll, we put it on a solid pan. It's gonna go right into our steam oven. Follow your recipe on this. The one I'm using is 130 degrees for 45 minutes, okay? So let's take it over to the steam oven. Let's turn this one on. Hello, okay, so we're gonna go right into operating modes. Okay, we're gonna scroll all the way over to sous vide. And Mila makes it super easy, so we're gonna go right to 130. Boom, hit the timer, and we're gonna go for 45 minutes. Are you sure? Boom, here we go, 45 minutes. We'll hit OK. All right, 130 is where we wanna be. So it says place rack on shelf 2. Fill with fresh water, and then we'll open the door right here. We'll open the lift panel. We're gonna put it right on rack 2 right here. All right, going in with fresh water. Okay. Now we'll close the door. Now we'll lower the lift panel. And it's going to heat right up, hold at 130, and then we're 45 minutes. We're going to have an amazing piece of halibut, so stay tuned. All right, 130 degrees, the 45-minute timer is off, so it's ready to roll. So let's open the door, let's check our progress here. And then look, just see the amount of moisture that's in there and in the cavity. Look at this piece of halibut. That's perfect. So we're going to take it to the cutting board right now. Just want to show you. Kind of look at that. You can see the firmness and see how great it holds. Now, to finish this is a great idea. So you could even go in convection broil it off. It's going to need some browning and some coloration. You could put it in a cast iron pan, sear it out the door, But for all the intents and purposes, I'm going to go run and grab a knife, open this up. I just want to show you the texture on this real quick, okay? Grab a knife. So let's open this up real quick. And we're not going to pan sear this one. I just really want to do it for the demo of showing you how to sous vide a great piece of fish. But look at that. It's just perfect. That's awesome. So, but in an ideal world, if I was going to serve this for like an entree or something like that, I would pan sear this and I would put the rest of the vegetables with it. But, just all in all, that's a great piece of fish. That's perfect texture, perfect density, and it's nice and easy, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it really gives you a broader aspect on how to sous vide in your steam oven and really give you all the tools you need to make an amazing meal. Thank you so much. Enjoy.